Moonshot just released Kimi K3, which is an open frontier intelligence. Now, this is a 2.8 trillion parameters model built on Kimi delta attention and attention residuals with native vision capabilities and a million token context window, which is a huge context window. And it is the world's first open 3D class model designed for frontier intelligence across long horizon coding, knowledge work, and reasoning. Now, all the benchmarks are comparing Kimi K3, which is an open source model, with the frontier models of Claude and OpenAI, which is GPT 5.6 Soul and Fable 5. And you can see Kimi K3 is beating 5.5 and 4.8 Opus and is quite close to Fable 5 as well. And in some benchmarks, it's even beating Fable 5, which you can see right over here, and only scoring 0.5 less than the GPT 5.6 Soul. And let me remind you again, these models are closed source and expensive, where Kimi K3 is open source. And later on in this video, we're going to be discussing how you can install this locally on a computer and when you can install this locally on your computer. For now, we're going to be testing it out in their web app. So these are a lot of benchmarks, and there are visual agent benchmarks as well. And in the zero bench, it is again beating 5.5 and 5.6 Soul. Now, another crazy part about Kimi K3 is that all the frontier open source models are not even close to the class of Moonshot AI's Kimi K3. Because as you can see, DeepSeek's V4 Pro has 1.6 trillion parameters, but Kimi K3 has 2.8 trillion parameters, which is humongous and double the size of DeepSeek V4 Pro. Open frontier model sizes, Moonshot is the winner by a big margin. Also, here are some of the demos of game development or 3D open world case scenarios using Kimi K3. And I just want to share you a couple of demos. So this is the first one. Then we have this game right over here. It has sound as well. Then we have something, a replica of Spider-Man or something. Although the graphics can be improved, but I think the functionality is working pretty well. And we also have a sword fighting game right over here, which also has some sounds to it. We have the sword realm of the Nine Heavens. So let's just go ahead and check this out. All right, this looks quite good. We also have something like a sniper or a shooter game. We also have a simulation or a video about the largest black hole in existence. And this video and infographics were generated using Kimi K3. Alright, so that was the demo. I think that is a really good video that was edited using an open source model. And also the captions were really good. Then we have infographics right over here, which are really good. Another demo is this 3D website, which has infographics in it and animations. We have a pitch deck right over here as well, which is something like this, where you can add videos into the pitch deck, as you can see right over here. These are infographics with animations. Now, the last demo I want to talk about is the video editing demo, which is right over here. So with the help of Kimi K3, you can go ahead and do motion design, animations, and video editing because it's native multimodal architecture, which means that basically Moonshot's Kimi K3 is a mixture of experts model, but now it has a massive agent swarm. So it's going to assign 16 experts on a certain task, and these 16 experts, and this means that you can assign multiple experts to the same task, and this is a visualization of how these 16 experts actually distribute their workload. Now, I know I've talked a lot about the theory, and we have to get started with the video where I talk about where to assess it. So first off, let's talk about the availability, where we can get it and when we can install this locally on a computer. So first off, the Kimi K3 agents, you can download it and install this in any of your iOS and Android, also Harmony OS. And if you want to work with the K3, you can download the desktop app. And if you want to code with Kimi K3, you can go with Kimi Code. And for the APIs, they are pricing it at 30 cents per million tokens for cache hit input and $3 per million token for cache miss input and $15 per million tokens for output. So this is a relatively good pricing. Now this is how it is available right now. But I'm going to tell you how you can download this locally on a computer and when you can download this locally on a computer. Now about the open weights of Kimi K3, we can see that we have the code free desktop AI available on GitHub, but we don't have the K3 models open weights available yet. Not on GitHub, not on Ollama either, because if you can see, I can search for Kimi K3 and there will be no results for Kimi K3 as you can see right now. And if we go to Hugging Face, and here too, they're saying that on the coming July 27th, 2026, there will be open weights available on Hugging Face. But for now, we can test out Kimi K3 for free on their web app. And here you can choose the Kimi K3 model, the chat and agent, and also the Swarm one, which is a massive search and batch processing model. So we're going to go with the simple one because we're not going to do massive test scenarios right here. I'll be doing that when we get the local install and I don't have to worry about running out of tokens and rate limiting. So let's get started with testing out Kimi K3. They're going to be simple tests. So I'm just going to paste in my prompts and show you the results only. All right, so here goes their website. So World War III started in 39 and ended in 45. 6 years, 50 nations, 70 million deaths, and 15 major battles. Now, we can filter out all events and we can click on any event and it's going to give us the details about it, the forces and the countries. So this way you can use this website to educate people about the World War or any other history event. Now this was just one test and I wanted to conduct more tests with Kimi K3, but I guess we have to wait till they release the open weights and we can download this locally on a computer. Otherwise, we will have to upgrade to their pro plan as there is lots of people trying to use K3. The traffic on K3 is humongous. It's going to give me that. Too many people are chatting with Kimi right now and you have to subscribe to enter a dedicated priority queue. And that is why we cannot use the K3 models right now. So for the testing part, I will be doing that in the next video when we get the open weights over at Ollama and we can install this locally on a computer. And that way we will not have rate limiting and other restrictions and we can actually go ahead and use the massive swarm and multi-agent capabilities of Kimi K3 as well. So with that said, I want to wrap this video up. I hope this video was helpful for you to understand what is so special about Kimi K3 and how it is a humongous model of 2.8 trillion parameters. Also how it's going to change the open frontier models and their categories for future. If you found this video insightful, hit that like button. Share your thoughts or experiences in the comments below. Ring the notification bell to never miss out on our daily updates. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next video. Till then, stay curious and keep exploring.